Hi, I'm Nancy Turrell. I am the CEO, Executive Director, wear many hats here at MartinArts. We are a local nonprofit organization serving the arts and cultural community and bringing vibrancy to everything in Martin County. MartinArts has been a client with C&W for many years. As a small nonprofit organization, we obviously don't have any in-house support for IT, so they are our go-to. Over time, we've added more and more services. We switched over and have their phones now are part of our service package in addition to the computer IT. Whenever I have an issue, I call. So before C&W, we had an individual IT person helping, but really having the full depth and breadth of many resources in a company, I think, is better suited to the variety of different needs that we may have, and you guys are always able to find a solution. We had the system that was called the dip jar that we used to use to take credit cards at Arts Fest. So when people came in to do their $5 admission, it was a really easy way to donate. And that company went out of business after Arts Fest 2025. So we were looking for a new way to do ticketing at the gates at Arts Fest, and every solution we found needed Wi-Fi. So C&W to the rescue. We worked with them to get Wi-Fi coverage throughout Arts Fest so that we could continue to take admissions, and everybody's moving to credit cards these days, so nobody really carries cash. So it was an absolute technical necessity that we had. What I really love about C&W is their investment, and I think it comes right from the top. Eric's committed to this community. He's served in so many leadership roles with the Chamber, Economic Council, Business Development Board. He and I work together on History, Arts, and Culture Day for leadership. So they're really a community partner, and I think that makes a world of difference. You're not working with nameless faces. You're working with people who live here, work here, and we're all part of a bigger team. So, I've mentioned that we are a nonprofit organization, so sometimes our technology isn't always the most current out there. So we have had computers crash, things fail. C&W has always been right there on the spot to talk us through what's the next thing we need to buy. They're extremely aware of our being cost conscious and having a limited budget, so helping us sort of sort through what we can get for the best value and yet still will serve our needs when we have an emergency like that. Highly recommend C&W for any small business in our community that wants a locally based, talented team to help them sort through all their technology issues. Really, they're adept at covering from A to Z, and they're a great solution.